Oh, some durian on my screen. Sheesh. Sorry, guys. Maybe better. Come with me, and you'll be in a world of imagination. What you see will define explanation. The farm in Bali is growing everything, all things. Right, simply look around and do it. Anything you want to do it. Nice. I take the high road and you'll take the low road, and I'll still get there for you. Oh, durian. Hi, durian baby. Ooh. Yes, wet. That's what she said.
Show your prize.
Or he said.
Show us your prize.
Here, toss it to me, hot potato. Nice. Okay, that's the best one. That's the best. If you want to view paradise, simply look around and do it. Trap.
Don't want to give that to the.
As my friends,
we should probably check,
yeah.
As my friends in UK say, anybody can get touched.
I just was confused by the fact that I have my egg. Like this baby.
Nice, dude. Oh, it's pretty heavy, huh? Nice little acupuncture.
Yeah.
Yeah, he just harvested this durian from Mother Earth.
From the river. It
Yeah.
fell this morning.
Oh, wow. It looks like a little, you know the game Minefield? These are what the mines look like. Baby tree, saplings.
This is my dream. Someday in the future.
Girl, come through and let's do what we do in your imagination. When I'm gone, tell me how. Girl, come through and let's do what we do in your imagination. Show me, yeah. Show me, girl, come through and let's do. Jackie Jack. Yeah, Damien, you. Oh. Yeah. Oh, it's my dream to live in a treehouse.
Wow.
Freak yeah. It's like a zone.
Now that's a little baby durian.
You're a baby durian. Oh, that is. That's gonna be lit.
So they're gonna start building like some bamboo houses and stuff out here, and
Yeah.
some lights for night, and put like a couple things in the trees so you can hang out.
Treehouse vibes.
Yeah, look, there's durian everywhere, all through there. You can literally just chill out here, play music, wait for a durian to drop.
Sing one down.
Yeah.
Oh durian, oh durian, how lovely are your parties.
Your alarm clock, 4 a.m.
Basically, on your head. Imagine, I bet you could set something up to where. Yeah, I am.
Yeah, this is amazing. Really.
Amazing grace, how sweet the sound. Yeah.
All mushrooms.
All mushrooms.
Yes.
Yes to that.
But the guys that live here are cool. I'll show you. They have like labs, and so they spore mushrooms, and they one of the guys, he is growing worms that eat styrofoam.
Yes.
And one of the guys, they're growing I think they're all along though. One of the guys he makes toilets that have pumps. They have worms. Poop,
Yeah.
Worm toilets.
Compostable. Yeah. That's beautiful. They need that.
Yep.
There's enough of us that brought trash. Someone has to bring the trash-eating animals.
Yeah.
I heard there's also some type of mushrooms that eat plastic, or they compost plastic.
Oh, that's such a gem.
Yeah.
So excited to open that up.
Such a magical looking fruit. Looks like an alien's brain.
Plastic from your smell body.
Really?
Whoo! It's gonna be so good.
I'm just making stuff up. Yeah.
Eat the worm.
Hey,
They can eat the worm.
it's a good idea. Maybe it's
Eat the worm, then
Future detox.
future
Mushroom
detox.
that it will eat all
That's
the
like
plastic,
that's nanotech.
Yeah.
Basically,
And the
I imagine
nanobots.
nanotech will be insect based.
Go out and clean my pineal glands.
That's called a durian fruit.
There's a jackfruit.
Do you not consume
Jackfruit
food
there.
anymore? The breatharian part of your caption threw me off a bit. I do consume food, but I consume condensed light. To me, breatharian doesn't mean that you don't eat. It just means you eat differently. You eat from the sun or from your breath. So the point being, when you're truly connected and in tune, tapped in, tuned in, plugged in, turned on, then you don't actually have a need for physical food. All forms of matter are condensed light. Have you ever actually smelled durian? Like, it's kind of annoying people talking about the smell of durian. I'm like, just go eat some. Like, just eat it. But also, don't try it alone. Like, try it with someone who loves durian and who knows where to get it. Because just like all foods, it could just be like not, just like all fruits, it could just be unripe or out of season or not even in the right environment. Like, honestly, you're not supposed to love durian if you're eating it in the States. Like, it doesn't grow there. If you like it, that's cool, but like, it's meant to be eaten very close to the tree where it grows. Yeah, it tastes like it smells. Yeah, see, it doesn't even. Thank you. It does.
Using it to hang on.
Thanks. Yeah, durian, like real good durian, doesn't even taste like it smells. It tastes better than it smells, and it smells good. But honestly, once it's overripe, it doesn't smell. It starts to smell like anything that's overripe or decomposing. It starts to smell like trash, or poop, or rotten eggs, or onions, or whatever. Do I have a goal of going exclusively on breath, condensed light at some point? I guess I assumed that if you're breatharian, you exclusively or almost primarily consume via oxygen and not food. You have to really change your mindset and your understanding around food, because oxygen is food. Actually, food is oxygen. Food is just what we consider food is just condensed oxygen, condensed matter, condensed light, condensed atoms. You are condensed light, you are condensed atoms. But eating food is just it's like a what is it called? Like a more laborious way of consuming your nutrients. This is ridiculous. This is beautiful. It's like a more laborious way of consuming your nutrients when you can just get it straight from the sun. Just sun gazing, meditating, connecting. They are really out there. But to answer your question, I don't really have a goal of like not consuming food. I don't think there's a point of making that a goal. But what I have noticed is that the more clean that I eat, or the less I eat, the less I need to eat. The cleaner I eat, the less that I want to consume things. And fruit is just the lightest form of condensed light, the tastiest form, the most non-toxic form, the most easiest to digest form of light. Because I am in a physical body. So I don't think there's a reason for me to like try to be vegetarian. But I've just noticed in my journey, my natural progression of going from animal-based food, let's start from breast milk to solid food, to animal-based foods, to flesh, to chemicals, to poisons, and then now going backwards and unlearning that, or not backwards but forwards, and going back onto plants and off of chemicals, off of processed foods, and then going off of cooked foods, going off of vegetables, off of these like more condensed forms of light, going into fruits, and then into liquids. Like now, even all fruits don't appeal to me. I mostly like hydrating fruits and fruits that I don't need teeth to eat. So much durian. I can walk 67 blocks to pick some up. It would be nicer to get it close to the tree. Oh yeah, if you're getting it in New York, I mean, it's imported, dude. And even then, it's like frozen. Like, it's fucking flown across the sea. It's not real. I'm moving to Bali, actually. Whoa! Barefooting. Sure.
For you?
Yeah.
Are we doing the standing one?
Oh, yeah, you can. It's easy. So this one I learned from Marcel Hoff. You can just do it while you're standing. It's okay.
Yeah.
So it's just deep breaths in. Yeah. You take a deep breath in, hold at the top. Exhale, hold out at the bottom. Inhale. And then just find a normal breath. Yeah, so you can do that like as many times as you want. Should we do?
Are we in Jumanji now?
Never left.
Should we do one more round?
Yes,
Okay.
we shall.
Alright. So whenever you're ready, take a deep breath in. So you can take a deep breath in all the way. Hold. Breathe out, hold at the bottom. Just find another breath whenever you're ready.
Oxygen high.
Yeah, you can do that. Like we've been doing it for like an hour. You lay down. Yeah. So good. Huh?
Saying like I could feel like kundalini coming up. Come back past here, but it felt like very orgasmic, and like before that happened, I just remember thinking like I can feel my whole body. And just like that feeling like I can feel every cell in my body.
Yeah.
It's exhilarating.
pure bliss. Like
Yeah.
up,
There's
up
not too
here,
many.
up here. So
But I'd also like
it's
juice
like,
fasted and
wow.
had a cacao ceremony right before that.
Nice.
So it was like, and
Smile,
then on top
that's
of like an hour breath work, it was
Yeah.
intense.
There's not too many environments where you want to mouth breathe because your nose actually filters out the air. But a place like this where the oxygen, the air is so clean, it's one of the best ways to re-oxygenate the system. Mm-hmm. Beautiful. Thanks for sharing.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Way in the jungle.
Right. Group hug.
Myself off, like getting related to me.
Yeah, they're broke out here.
Nice.
There's like 5 of them. They've been doing this since they were kids. They just like,
Intuitively.
yeah, used to breathe and do crazy stuff.
Home.
Oh.
Whoa.
Yeah.
I would love if they put like little decks and stuff, like lounge areas out here.
Little meditation decks.
Yeah.
Little cushion. Yeah.
Just
Very
fun.
simple.
I should just like squished into you.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. I like it.
Good.
Juicy. Juicy.
So recharge. Jungle's amazing, eh?
Mm-hmm. Home.
Yeah,
They're gonna. I was gonna say they're gonna also do waterfalls. I think they're gonna drill in.
Yeah. Just pump some water. Yeah. Why not? Keep it flowing.
Fill
it with cacao powder, chocolate fountain.
I was at this Rainforest Discovery Center, and they have all of these like hiking trails. It's in Borneo, and so it was not like you were in the middle of civilization or out in the middle of not civilization.
Right. The opposite.
But the cicadas, there was like it had to be a million. Literally, you could feel them reverberating off your ears.
Sound healing.
And they were all coming at. So I was literally like, "This is like an organic sound bath."
Mm-hmm. For real.
Like,
The
wow,
best.
it was so intense.
The real nature bath. Yeah.
Really intense. It was so cool.
I love the sounds of
And
the
then
jungle.
there was a tree there, and like I like to talk to nature sometimes, but this was the first time where there was like a tree where I literally was like, she was like trying to she was like grandmother. I just started crying, just like sobbing, like at the feet of this tree. And wow, like thank you. She gave me like some wisdom that I needed for like my life at that time. I was just like, thank you.